Musiaisiano tukwatie nthini wa mitandao ya mikumukaniliye Facebook tukwatia ta Mutongoi TV, YouTube ni Mutongoi TV/FM official, Instagram ni Mutongoi_TV. Utuma ni mukuvyo na utumia kwa namba ya ile itatu kenda imwe itano na indi tunamba kwambia vilingi wito mauvo umunthi ni ukulia weta musiaisia no kwata mbau mudongo ya chama cha Wiper Stephen Kalonzo wa Musyoka kuma nthini wa Azimio One Kenya Alliance na kuweta no Kuukitia kivila cha Usumbi no kwata mbau Stephen Kalonzo wa Musyoka kuma nthini wa ngwatanio ya Azimio One Kenya Alliance na kuweta no kuthingina 11 kuitia kivila cha Usumbi na indi na udhocha tutambanie mwendeni wa vilingi wito wa mauvo. Tuyo mundi mukiti wa kivila cha Usumbi na ngwatanio ya Azimio One Kenya Alliance Raila Odinga ni wa mutanga sandongo ya nak Kenya Martha Karua tawakwili wa Munini wa kendi ni wa nyuvanini munene ula utwaiwe matuku kenda mwini wa nyanya mauvo wa manenganiwe wanda nyumbani ya mbumbano ya KICC vala atongo ikuma ilembetani ya ukamba vamwena ene ndima ukamba manethi itwe maidingisi ya Raila kumunenga Kalonzo kutwika munini wake. Daniel Mongela no kutunengelelia
Musini wa Ilovi mwakoni munene wa KICC.
Vijana hoye, mamama hai, tunaendelea.
Itina wa Kenya kutuma yetho na kutia kutukwa ivinda ya saa kwi umunthi kiasa nisiosa mukondo mweu.
Hello!
Wi muthena wikalite weteleto ni aingi na kwi umunthi kwetela ni kwa vika muthia utundumwe ni mutongoi wa chama cha ODM Raila Odinga ula Kumusakua mutongoi wa chama cha nak Kenya Martha Karua kwitha mwanyani wa munini wa Usumbi nthini wa savalio ya umantha Usumbi wa nthino ya Kenya.
My dear Kenyans, cometh the hour, cometh the lady. I have the great honor to announce that I have picked as my running mate and Cabinet Secretary for Justice and Constitutional Affairs the Honorable Martha Wangari Karua. God bless you.
Unduka itina wa kwitha vana iseso ya kumakulia maukulio atitika uta Evo Gideon Moi, Kalonzo Musyoka, Charity Ngilu, Peter Kenneth, kati wangi indikithito cho kinasia matunda itina wa Martha Karua kuolotwa na kuosa mwanosu wa munini wa Usumbi.
Ladies and gentlemen, wananchi wapendwa, friends and family, with these few remarks, with utmost humility, I stand before you today to say that I, Martha Wangari Karua, do hereby proudly accept this nomination as Deputy Presidential Candidate.
History is calling on us to produce our first woman Deputy President. The woman we offer as the proposed Deputy President is also known to have incredible credentials in the fight for our second liberation.
Karua ndakathi ya muno ngwatanio ya Azimio la Umoja kwa kila wawetakana iketha ndi munya mwene nthini wa ukombo wa utongoi muthuku.
We agree with you that only Azimio under the leadership of His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga can take Kenyans to a better place, to a prosperous Kenya. We urge you to please come and walk with us.
Kati wa mena ingi ila ya wetani mutongoi wa chama cha ODM Raila Odinga ni wevo mwanya wa minister munene ula wa unengelele Kalonzo Musyoka na Kenneth Marende ndane wa mwana wa speaker wa Senate Wycliffe Oparanya ndane wa minister muveani wa Kinandu Peter Munya ndane wa kungamia muvea wa uwemi vanthi ya Kenya undumwe na Ali Hassan Joho kungamia muvea wa itheka vanthi ya Kenya.
I have nominated Honorable Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka as the Chief Cabinet Secretary with the responsibility to coordinate and supervise functions of the government. I nominate Honorable Kenneth Marende as the Speaker of the Senate. I further nominate Honorable Wycliffe Oparanya as the as the Cabinet Secretary for the National Treasury. Honorable Peter Munya as Cabinet Secretary for Agriculture and Chairman of the Kenya Productive Sector. And Honorable Ali Hassan Joho as Cabinet Secretary for Lands to deal with the historical land injustices in the coast region and within the borders of the Republic of Kenya once and for all.
Cia azimio la umoja siende ya kavindani kala ngwatanio ya One Kenya Alliance ikwitha yivetete na wakalonzo Musyoka kwiveta nthini wa ngwatanio isu na kutanga sakana enda mpaka 11 ndokitia mwanya Usumbi undula wende na kuoswa na mawoni meke vuthukanio ni ene nthi ile mbetani ya Ukamba. Daniel Mwonkela, Mutongoi TV, kumova kauntini ya Masako.